There's not a lot I won't buy and resell on eBay if I can make a profit. 19 cents a bottle. 12 packs are selling for about 20 bucks for free shipping. I just don't want to mess with a bunch of bottles of flavored water. I really don't. 59 cents. 74 cents. $3.79. Let's look those up. Okay, 4 packs of these are $24 and change for free shipping. And I got 3 of these for $3.79 a piece, and they're worth $15 to $19 free shipping. And I got 2 of these. I couldn't find them, but it's dental floss. If you can't sell it, use it. So let me get the rest of these things and see what else is in here. That. And there's that. And there's that. I think I want to leave it. It's all in here now. Even the Snickers chocolate milk is 29 cents. Let's get one. A 24 pack of that crap is 40 bucks for free shipping. And I'm still going to leave it. Huh. I heard people like that stuff. Let's look it up. 39 cents. Alright, all 4 of those is worth $20.90 of free shipping. And would cost less than $2, but I'm going to leave them. I just don't want to mess with it. After you pay for shipping, it's just, I don't know. Maybe I'm leaving money behind. I know I'm leaving money behind, but I just don't really want it that bad, I don't reckon. Trailer has the 1 fat tire in the back instead of dualies. That looks like a good deal. Let's get all these. It's clearance without actually being a deal. It's just junk, overpriced, beat up junk. Again, I was not looking for stuff, but I did find some stuff. These, all those is 5, and they're all going to be like $30 a piece. These were 15, and they're $60. The rest of these are marked down, but not as good. If somebody wanted to bad enough, they could buy all these $2 shoes and then sell them and ship them in poly mailers, and they'd go first class. Might make a little bit. I'm not. I got more than I wanted already. Should have brought the other vehicle. Not gonna lie, it's raining. Gotta get this stuff loaded up. If you have a back stock of inventory, now may be the time to stay home and go through that. List that inventory instead of getting out and potentially exposing yourself to a virus. Everybody needs to make their own determination. If you have parents and grandparents at the house, well, if I was you, I'd stay the hell away from other people. But if it's just you, your wife, and your kids, and you're all under 35, go out and soak up that clearance where everybody else is afraid to get it. Because I'm telling you, it's out there, people. You know, penny shopping at Dollar General stores on Tuesdays. Now would be a great time to do that. Everybody's down on employees that don't have time to pull the penny items. Hello again. There's Copperhead. He's guarding my Scotty peeler and my razor knife. I'm going to remove those price stickers. This is a pair of men's size 11 Brahma boots, $9. The Ozark Trail size 7, they were $5. That must be priced on the other side. But anyway, I got a size 7 in the brown, and then I got a size 7 in the black. Boxes are just destroyed, but I don't plan on reusing them. And then I got a size 10 in the black. And men's size 10 is actually the most popular size. Size 10 and then 10 and a half. So I don't mind seeing size 10 and size 11. They should sell pretty quickly. And at the price, I don't mind seeing the 7s. And you got 8 and a half. These were 15, but the original price was 60. Now this box and this box I plan on saving. That's why I brought the Scotty peeler out here. I'm just going to, when they sell, I'll probably just layer of small bubbles each way and put it in a great big poly bag. And then tape the poly bag close to the box. Don't let it rattle around in there. Don't want to leave too much extra or get caught up in the USPS equipment. So tape your bag close, people. I just wanted to show you these one more time. I don't know how good a job I did in the store, but total spent on all 5 pair of shoe/boots was $42. That's tax and all. So I'm hoping to sell them 30, 30, 30, 35, and 60. And it'll cost $8 to $10 to ship every single one. So I'm gonna let you do the math on that. And I'm gonna get back to cleaning off the stickers. Got the sticker off intact. We're gonna put it on a piece of wax paper, take it back with us to Walmart, put it on the next box of shoes. Okay, let me tell you why that's a bad idea. First, it's immoral. But besides that, they scan the barcodes on the pair of shoes. Not the one on the box, not the one on the price sticker, but the one actually on the pair of shoes, on the hang tag. Wherever it is. Right there, that one. See it? That's the barcode they scan. So, don't play games with prices, people. There's enough deals out there. You ain't got to mess with people's prices. All right, that's taken care of. Now I got these 3, and I thought I'd say something real quick when I noticed this. You see that? MSRP, manufacturer suggested retail price. Don't leave that on there, especially if you're going to sell it for more. These are even made so that you can just fold them back and forth and see it's gone. Like it never existed. And you can take your pictures and you can show the size without showing them that it was originally only $29.68. Because, you know, I might have this up for $29.95 plus shipping, or $24.95 plus shipping. And you just don't want to confuse the customer with all these extraneous numbers. Trust me on this. Unless the item's vintage and it's like, oh look, quaint, it used to be $2 back in 1968. Unless it's like old, do everything in your power to remove the price sticker. And remove all the price sticker. Don't send it to them with half a clearance sticker stuck to it. That's the way I get my stuff, and I don't much appreciate it. So I don't imagine anybody else does either. Take the time to do it right if you're going to do it. One thing, one little trick I have, is I get like these generic stickers, like just little round dots, or stickers that say new, or stickers that have like a price sticker on them. You know, a price symbol, I guess you'd say, dollar symbol. Anyway, and use those to cover up any blemishes or any prices that are made into the packaging. Just, stick a sticker over it. Better than nothing. Yeah, that's all I got for you. Man Mountain Link, checking out. Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.